beg suffer. Not let this iron touch this wire.
Madam, don't worry. Now my work with this one. Now next, now we say they connect electricity.
Run.
Jesus is Lord.
This man! I don't want peace. I want problems always. Run.
Jesus is Lord. I hear me.
Now, wow, this Nigeria self, First could just finish school, for this Nigeria. First we can't just spoil again. All my marriage, when my papa and mama say make I not near, make them not spoil. All of them don't make a finish. See me now, last night they clear. I go they carry people, go they call me now, I can't carry firewood. Ordinarily, this man will not reach me. Say me I help and they pack firewood. This life not just balance at all.
Work for me. Which kind of woman be this? What person me doing never do one?
I hear me.
He dey sleep. You too lazy. Work back at TV make you do your one. Then you dey sleep for here. Which kind of be this?
Jesus is Lord.
Run.
Madam, where my cutlass?
Now me dey ask for your cutlass.
Jesus is Lord.
I'm very sorry, man. I'm not vexed.
Sorry for yourself. Maybe I give you work. I don't even take fat and cook before. Wait for buy this bread.
Now that mama shop, now that I for go buy them.
Nonsense. As you won't go even manage buy bread, you could go buy the one made no sweet instead of the bread made sweet. You see your life?
Oh, which kind of wahala be this one? Now every time every person like we just dey spoil. I call this guy really intelligent. Hello? I beg if you come me repair my light. Yes, I swear you don't spoil again. I will pay you 10,000 naira. Who will come help me fix this light now?
Nonsense, man. Where you two say they go?
Now because of 500 naira when you want to pay me, now make you they insult me like this. Nonsense.
Anywhere you go, I must follow you. You must finish this work.
I don't want peace.
Oh, now
I want problems always.
Madam, I greet you.
Hey, welcome.
Well done, madam.
Yeah, welcome.
I hear say you they complain. You say you they find person when I
You fear me do
how you go dey ask me that kind of question? Everybody know me for this year and that kind of work now they do now. See, my grandpapa, before he died, now that work now he do. My great-great-grandpapa, now that same work now he do till he died. My papa said, now that kind of work you see they do. Me, now the same work now I do. So you don't get wahala, I go help you finish everything. Not be never.
Run.
Jesus is Lord.
Oh yeah, make we dey go now.
Madam, don't worry now. I go help you finish this work. I'm gonna go do it.
You never finish, man. You say one go do electrician work. Make I even still go see him.
Now next, now we say they connect electricity.